Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about bitwise NOT operator. Okay. Why it is different from logical NOT and bitwise NOT. It's a totally different, but here you have to keep remember that NOT means the negation form of a particular bit. If there is a bit called 0, the negation form of that bit is 1. If there is a bit called 1, the negation form of that one bit is called 0. Okay, so suppose you have taken any data, convert that a binary form. Whatever the binary form comes out, if you converted that binary forms to the negation forms, means all the zeros are converted to the 1 and all ones are converted to the 0. You keep remember this point. Okay, in this case 0 is converted to the 1 and then 1 is converted to the 0. Okay, that's all. 0 is converted to the 1 and 1 is converted to the 0. Okay, after converting this, if you added a negation or minus sign, then the real data is going to be returned you. Okay, if you added the minus sign, the numerical data, you added the minus sign, the real form of result is returned you. Suppose there is a data 1 0. Okay, there is a data 1 0. So you already remember on previous point that 1 0 it is going to be converted but changes to 1 in place of 0, then 0 place of 1. Okay, 0 1. So this is the negation form of, that is negation form of 1 0, that is 2. 1 0 means that is 2. So here, that is here what? That is here 2. Okay, so what is it written here? 0 1. So 0 1 means 1. 0 1 means what? That is a 1. So here it returns you 1. That is not a 1. That is called a minus 1. Okay. So how it is minus 1? Because we inverse the form. We inverse the form of 1 0 to 0 1. It return you minus 1. Okay. So you have to remember what are the numerical form it's written. That is a minus 1. And it's a very easy formula. If any particular value if you have taken and find out that its negation form or bitwise NOT form, then you have to go for this formula, that is formula is what is that formula? Formula is minus whole into n plus 1, minus whole into n plus 1. Formula is minus whole into n plus 1. Okay, minus whole into n plus 1. Fine, minus whole into n plus 1. That's all. So you have to add the value, that is a 2 plus 1, that's a 3. So minus added, okay, 2 plus 1 it's a 3. So minus added, it is going to be written, that is 3. Okay. So in this way you are generally going to be work. Okay, that's going to be return you. If you taken as a 2 plus 1 it's a 3, it is going to return 3. If there is a numerical value 2, when it is going to be converted in the binary form, that is 0 0 1 0, then 1 1 0 1. Yes, that's why 0 1, and that is going to be written minus whole into 2 plus 1, that is going to be written 3. Okay, fine, understood. So you have to follow this formula, but in this case I am going to be giving you a wrong statement here. Okay, what is the wrong statement? Here 10 is 2. Okay, 1 0 is returns to true. If you go for the 4 bits, that is the 0 0 1 0, and when you took taken as a negation, that is 1 1 0 1. Okay, 1 1 0 1, and it is return you. What is the value, return value of this data? Check it out. 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0, that is a 14, not a 14, 13, yes, 13 14 15, this is a 13. Okay, minus 13 is going to be returned. It's not a minus 13 here. Here you have to return 2, that is converted to the bitwise one, that is a minus 3. If you go for this formula, it's a better understanding and better for you. Okay, you not follow this rule, but you have to understand kindly that it will be changes, means 0 to 1, 1 to 0. It is going to be changes. That's why it returns you this way. So in formula is minus whole into n plus 1. In this formula you will get the right result. Like this, suppose there is a x equal to 6. Okay, then print, then negation of x, and it returns you minus 7. See, minus 7. Okay, you follow this formula, it returns you minus 5. Means whatever the data, you added that data to 1. Then it is going to be return you that particular number that's in the minus form. Okay, that number which will be written, the numerical value which will return, that is generally in the minus form. So if you go for the in binary form also, there is a 6 means 110. When you added here minus 1, that is means 1 you added. Okay, 1 added, that is 1 1 1 triple 1, and there is a minus sign is given, so it is returns you minus 7. That's it. Okay, this is the very easy formula to evaluate bitwise not case. Okay, bitwise not case. And when you follow the internet, there is some rules are given you, the ways are given you, that what is already I am told you in this particular line. In this line, 0 is converted to the 1, 1 is converted to 0, and added the minus sign, then it is going to return you right result. Okay, so suppose there is x equal to 65, you know the 65, then print negation of x. Okay, negation of x. So what is going to be written here? 66 minus 66, sorry, minus 66 is going to be written, because 65 plus 1 66, then minus you are going to be added, then it is going to be written 66. So if you go for the negation table, and there is a table called for 0 to positive binaries, 0 to negative binaries. You compare both the form, then you can understand how 65, the negative form is called minus 66. Okay, minus 66. Fine, you understood how it is going to be performed bitwise not operator. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, I will go through it. If there is any different and your doubt is given, then I will make another video on this specific bitwise operator. Please like and share this video, and also click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.